Well, folks, we are approaching the fall season. Can't believe it's already here, and it's already Tablescape Tuesday. And on this episode, I am sharing with you my fall black and white tablescape. This is part of my transitional tablescape series. We're transitioning from the summer to the fall. It isn't quite fall yet here. We are still in the 90 degrees and above. And however, we are still setting tables and enjoying the warm weather. And if you haven't noticed already, I am using magnolia flowers for this tablescape. If you haven't already noticed, magnolias are one of my favorite flowers, and so you may see them quite often when I set different tablescapes. So I hope that you will enjoy this tablescape on today. Hope that you will be inspired and ready for the fall season. So folks, I just wanted to jump in here for a quick second and let you know that I started to decorate this garland, and you will probably see me add more things to this garland as we go. So you know how I do. I like to change things at the last minute, and so I just wanted to forewarn you that I will be adding some new items that I did not display in the beginning of the video. Okay, enjoy. folks, this is it for today. I love this black and white. I love all of the patterns and the different textures. I think it turned out beautifully. And I'm so glad that you were able to visit and to see this video. Now, this tablescape did not turn out the way I originally envisioned, but because I changed some things at the last minute, I believe that it turned out even better than I thought it would. And so I'm so glad to have you visit on today. If you happen to be new, thank you for stopping in, and I welcome you. If you have not yet subscribed, you need to do so. I upload a video every Tuesday, a different tablescape with a different theme, and you wouldn't want to miss it. Thanks again, and if you haven't yet, please don't forget to like and to comment down below. It really helps my channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you to my subscribers. I really appreciate you. You come out every week and you support this channel. I appreciate you. So until we meet again, be grateful, be thankful, be blessed. God bless everybody. Have a great week.